Assalamualaikum. How are you doing, everyone? In this video, I will make this beautiful purse. The materials are 2 different colors of polyester yarns, 2mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. The first thing you need to do is to make a slip knot. This is a slip knot. After that, make 5 foundation chain. Then, make a slip stitch in the very first chain. Make 3 chains and make 4 double crochet in a chain circle. Technically, there are 5 double crochet in a chain circle including the 3 chains. Then make 3 more chains and turn the work. Make 3 double crochet in a space after the last double crochet. Make 4 double crochet in this chain space. The second row of the heart pattern is completed. Make 3 chains, turn the work, repeat the previous action, which is you need to make 3 double crochet in a space after the first double crochet. Make 3 double crochet in this middle space. Make 4 double crochet in this chain space. The third row is completed. Now make 3 chains, turn the work, make 3 double crochet in the space after the first double crochet, after the last double crochet of the previous row. Then make 3 double crochet in each of the next 2 spaces. This is the first of the 2 spaces. Make 3 double crochet. Then make 3 double crochet in the next space. After that, make 4 double crochet in this chain space. The fourth row is completed. Now I'm going to make the fifth one. Make 3 chains, turn the work, 3 double crochet in a space after the last double crochet. You need to always do this. Then make 3 double crochet in each of the next 3 spaces. Then 4 double crochet in a chain space. The basics pattern is all ready, and here it is. For this, I will shape the heart pattern on the next 2 rows. Start with 3 chains, turn the work, then make 3 double crochet in the first space. After that, make 3 double crochet in each of the next 3 spaces. Make 1 treble crochet in a chain space. Done, and this is what the pattern looks like. This one is the last row. As usual, make 3 chains, then make 3 double crochet in the first space. Then make 3 chains and make a slip stitch in the next space. After that, make 3 more chains, 1, 2, 3, then make 3 double crochet in the next 1 space. After making these 3 last double crochets, make 3 chains. Then make slip stitch on the top of this previous double crochet. It's time to change the thread. I will use this thread to complete this heart pattern. Grab yarn, yarn over. Don't forget to pull up this yarn tail. Before you continue the work, you need to cut this and use thread. Now, make 3 single crochet in this space. Three single crochet in this space. 3 single crochet in each of the next spaces. Now, make 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch, back to 1/2 double crochet in the next 1 stitch. Make 3 single crochet in this chain space. Make an extended single crochet in this lower space. This one is the back part of this heart pattern. After that, make 45 chains. Make another extended single crochet in the same space. Make 3 single crochet in a chain space. Make 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, back to 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, then make 3 last single crochet in this last chain space. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet, then cut the yarn. I have made 2 pieces of heart pattern. This one is for the back side and this one is for the front side. The difference is that the back side of heart pattern has 45 chain holder, meanwhile the front side of the heart pattern has 5 chain hooker. Now I'm gonna make the edging. This edging is made of slip stitch and 1 chain. Slip stitch, 1 chain, slip stitch, 1 chain, slip stitch, 1 chain, back to slip stitch, followed by 1 chains. I will also use these patterns to join together the front and the back side of this heart pattern. Now I will attach the front and the back side together using these stitches. Insert the hook into these 4 loops to make the first slip stitch. Make chain 1, then make a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end of this round. This is the last slip stitch that fits the back and the front sides of this heart pattern. After this one, we just need to make these edgings on the front side of this heart pattern. Make chain 1, slip stitch in each of the next stitches to complete this pattern. This one is the last slip stitch. You can cut the yarn after making this one. Now, cut the yarn. You can also use the pastry needle to hide this yarn tail perfectly. Finally, these beautiful heart purses are ready, and this is what it looks like. It also can be used as a keychain, souvenir, or small gift for your loved one. To lock it, you need to insert the chain holder into the chain hooker like this. This is what this heart purse looks like. Well everyone, I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!